Now this is what we call a hot topic. Composite decking is actually a great choice for cottagers since it will require a lot less maintenance than wood. But the term composite actually refers to 3 different categories of manufactured deck materials: true composite decking, polyvinyl chloride decking, and synthetic decking. The truth is, composite decking is no different than any other surface that you might walk on in bare feet. Think patio stones or sand. If it's exposed to beating sun for hours, it's going to get hot, particularly if it's a dark color. While synthetic decking is newer, all 3 composite categories have been tested in labs and in real-world settings to see how they respond to heat, and they all perform slightly differently. True composite decks will absorb heat and retain it, so your deck could be hotter at, say, 4 p.m. than it was at noon. According to our experts, a PVC deck is probably your best bet. It has similar properties to wood, so it will release heat throughout the day. Research suggests a PVC deck can be 10 degrees Fahrenheit cooler, or even more, than a true composite deck of the same color. If your heart is set on true composite, there's still good news. Manufacturers are working on a way to mitigate the material's heat-retaining properties. It's not perfect, but it's easy enough to throw on a pair of flip-flops when you head out onto the deck for a drink.